Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how ZQ Dropshipping is the reliable dropshipping partner that you've been looking for. We'll go over the shoulder in a little bit. I'm going to tell you more about how to build a long-term dropshipping business, how to do it the right way, because we know that dropshipping is really one of the best, if not the best business model online for 2025, right? We could sell millions of products without ever touching them up front. No warehouse, no shipping, no inventory, all that great stuff, all the benefits of drop shipping. Of course, the number one thing is you need to find a great partner. And a really popular strategy is to partner with ZQ Dropshipping because they're going to help you build a massive, high profit margin, reliable, and long-term e-commerce brand with no money needed up front. We'll go over the shoulder in a little bit, but I'm going to talk about really the idea of drop shipping. And there's no way to do this with Shopify. You need to go ahead and pick a drop shipping partner and integrate them into your Shopify store. That's what I'll show you in this video. And you want to make sure that you pick a drop shipping partner that's super easy to use, doesn't require any coding or technological skill. You don't need to have any prior experience. And really, most importantly, you need to pick a drop ship partner that's going to provide sourcing, drop shipping, warehousing, branding, great support, and more. And if you want all that, if you want to do it the right way, you're going to use ZQ Dropshipping. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you just how powerful and just how easy it is to use ZQ Dropshipping. And again, we have the link right over here going into their Shopify app. And we'll go ahead and walk step by step as I go ahead and install this. All you need to do is click the install button over here. You'll be able to get ZQ Dropshipping. It's an all-in-one dropshipping solution for Shopify. Tons and tons of great products that are going to be available. One-click, easy import, easy fulfillment, really, really powerful, great shipping, and you're going to be able to do everything with just minimum order quantity of one, right? True dropshipping. We're going to be able to do this with just a few clicks. So all we need to do, press the install button. This is going to send us back into our Shopify store. We'll go ahead and grant permissions. Once you finish with that, you'll be brought over into your ZQ Dropshipping dashboard. And this is going to be where you find all of your stats, like your available balance, money on hold. You could top up right over here. And you'll start to see all of your orders automatically come in because I've connected, you see over here, my Shopify store. You could even connect your eBay, your Etsy, or your WooCommerce. So I've connected that because I've installed that Shopify app. All my setup is really done, and all I need to do now is just find some great product. And that's the really awesome part about ZQ Dropshipping. We're going to come over here and we're going to be able to find different types of product suppliers for super, super hot products, winning products. And what we could do over here is actually go through and upload products and upload different information. But I'm going to show you the search through 1688 because it's a really, really powerful site that has pretty much everything that you could want. And when you jump into here, you should have a browser, let's say Chrome. It's going to auto-translate. This is a Chinese-based site. You're getting access to these great prices that only Chinese suppliers would get, but you get directly through ZQ Dropshipping. So I'll come back to this in a second to show you some more. We have this selected section over here. And these are some products that are kind of curated here for you. And we have different things like ranking lists, hot products, trends. This is going to allow us to automatically find some hot products. And ZQ Dropshipping does a great job of curating this list. They create this list of products. All of these are available. You see some sold information as well. You see the prices in terms of how much it's going to cost you to get this product shipped to your customer. All dropshipping, of course. This is the hot products. We can do trend products. I'll go back to 1688 in a second, and we can do some searches. But these are trending products that are hot right now. You see really all different niches represented. We could even take a look at new products as well. When we click in here, we're just going to sort through the curated list here that ZQ Dropshipping provides of brand new products, really cool, unique products that you're able to add to your store very, very easily. And over here, we also have our site list and our off-site list. And this is really cool because it shows you the price comparison of maybe other suppliers and what it's going to cost you here with ZQ Dropshipping. So you're always able to make the highest profit margin when you're working with ZQ Dropshipping. So I'm going to come over here and let's do a little search for cats just in general. And we'll see what comes up over here. And it's going to be really easy to source any of these products into our store very, very simply. And really all we need to do is find the specific product we want to try, and maybe we want to try a lot. These are in yuan right now in terms of pricing. So we're seeing this is going to be super, super cheap to get to our customers, to get to import into our store and to really build a massive store with really kind of any product you could imagine. I'll do some more searches over here. Maybe we could do something like running and take a look. Really, any niche that you could imagine, you'll be able to find over here. You want to create like a Nike competitor. You want to create an Under Armour type competitor. You see all the different products you could easily put in here. And these are all available into your store. Just incredible pricing because we're using 1688, typically direct to China customers, but we get it through ZQ Dropshipping. So we'll come over here, Hot Products, and just show you really how easy it is. We come over here and come click this, and we could do bulk distribution. So what we're going to be able to do here is now select the options that we want to add to our store. We could do brown or black, and we could have all the different sizes that we want to add in here, and go ahead and add the most popular sizes. Here are costs between $9 and $10 just for the drop shipping here of this item. $9, right? You could sell this, these casual boots, $30, $40, $50. You want to build a big luxury brand, sell them for $100. Really easy to do. All you need to do is click Add to ZQ. And when we add to ZQ, that's going to basically create this as a product, which will then have the option to customize and bring over into our store. So, and then you could search and search and search and find any type of product, all these different filters, all directly integrated inside the app. So it's really easy to do. In the order section, of course, you'll find all your different orders, unfulfilled, processed, fulfilled, and closed orders. We just connected this app, so there's not going to be anything in here, but you'll start to see all of your orders populate in there. When we go into Import Pro, right, we are able to import products into our store. Really easy to do as well. And now we can go into our inventory in our product section, and you see that we had these products that we just selected, right? These products were selected just a second ago. So really, really easy for us to go ahead and get these products sourced, get them added into ZQ Dropshipping, get them into our store, and everything is automated from here on out because we're using the ZQ Dropshipping and we've already integrated our store. So it really couldn't be any easier. That's why it's so highly recommended. So that was ZQ Dropshipping. As you saw, incredibly powerful, super, super easy to use. Highly recommended. All you need to do, click on the link directly below this video, hit the install button, and just follow along like you saw. You'll be able to get this in your store, be able to get these great products, and get this dropshipping partner fully integrated. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer every single one of them personally. Otherwise, I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.